All right, so this is a video explaining and demonstrating how the Bluetooth connectivity works on this IS250 2011. The confusing part that people find it is that they actually could connect the phone to answer and hang up calls, or you can connect it to stream music. And there's two different ways you go about it. You would go to setup, you have your phone, and you have your audio. If you connect it just to your phone, you're not going to be able to stream music. So what you want to do is go to audio, and then Bluetooth settings. You want to register the phone that you're going to be streaming music through, and then you have that passcode key. So my partner here has this Galaxy phone. Now he's just connecting it. Are you in? All right. So there you go, Bluetooth successful. And now we're going to go ahead and Bluetooth settings. We're good. Select portable player, Galaxy 8, so it's active. And now we're gonna go ahead and play some music. There you go. Nice selection here from my partner. So yeah, there you go. And that's how that works. And now if you want to go back to connect your phone for calls, you go to setup, phone, and then manage phone, and that's already active as well. And you have hands-free power. So that's how you connect this phone. If you just connect your phone again for answering calls, it will not stream music. You actually have to go to the setup button and register the phone, and then you could go ahead and stream. Thank you for watching, and talk to you soon.